I took a Nigerian girl out. We went to a fast food joint. And she was just observing. Oh. Oh, oh. Wow. Nice place, so. Then she overheard some girl saying, please, microwave it. She goes like, wow, that's a new word. I think it's classy. Microwave it. Whew. I'm like, okay, let's go get something. She went to the counter, started. Do you have rice? Said yes. Microwave it. Do you have ugali? Yeah, very strong one. Okay, microwave it. Do you have Coke? I mean a very cold Coke. You have like a Coke? You have it? Microwave it. Do you have ice cream? I mean very cold ice cream. Bring 2. Microwave it. Do you have salad and spinach? Like a full plate. Okay. Microwave it. When she was leaving, they gave her a change. Take your change. Don't worry. Microwave it.
Let the dogs out.